We have the power of relief in our hearts. As long as we are willing to let go of our struggle and accept our true selves, the light will naturally appear. Once, Buddha took his disciples forward and met a miserable farmer on the way. He cried about his failure and pain and asked Buddha, "How can I get rid of these pains?" Buddha smiled and said to him, "Do people struggling in the water sink to the bottom of the water because of fear?" The farmer nodded. "So, when you stop struggling, will the water naturally support your body and make you float?" The farmer nodded again. Buddha continued, "The same is true of pain. When you accept it and no longer resist, you will find that you already have the power to float." We have all hidden our truths because of external pressure and inner fear, wearing different masks to cater to the world. This kind of lifestyle keeps us away from our inner freedom and strength. Only by accepting our true self can we release the powerful power in it. When we stop denying ourselves and no longer avoid our vulnerability, we can find that our inner strength is stronger than we imagine. This power can lead us through the darkness to light and peace. Embracing our true self is the first step for us to find our inner strength. Embracing our true self means that we no longer live in the expectations of others, but explore our true essence according to the guidance of our heart. When we are willing to bravely face the fear in our hearts and let go of all the cover-up, we will find the light in our hearts. This light comes from our true acceptance of ourselves and our frankness in life. Everyone has infinite light and power in their hearts, and this light will not disappear due to external setbacks. As long as we are willing to go deep into our hearts and explore the truth, we can release this inner strength and find the strength and guidance to move forward from it. True freedom and relief come from our inner light. We often feel that the pressure of life makes us breathless, and the expectations of the outside world make us lost in endless pursuit. The inner strength comes from facing yourself in truth. When we put down the false mask and stop seeking recognition from the outside, we will find that there is a powerful force hidden in the depths of our hearts. This power makes us not afraid of difficulties, so that we can still maintain firmness and peace in the face of challenges. Embracing ourselves not only allows us to find our own direction, but also allows us to release the potential and wisdom that we have not discovered. The inner power comes from true self-accomplishance. No one is perfect in life. To accept everything about ourselves, including imperfection and vulnerability, is the key to our freedom. When we no longer pursue the standards of perfection from the outside world, but begin to accept our own imperfections, we can find inner peace. Inner peace does not come from escape, but from truly facing one's own shortcomings. When we can calmly accept our vulnerability and see the power hidden behind it, our hearts will return to peace and find true freedom. When we are hurt, the first reaction is often to escape or cover up. However, the first step of healing is to accept the true self. Only when we are willing to face the inner pain and bravely admit its existence, the healing will really begin. The true self is not only the source of our strength, but also the key to healing. When we accept our own pain and understand the root of these pains, our hearts begin to recover, and the deep inner power will also awaken. Healing comes from the truth, and peace comes from accepting.